Get rid of dirt, grease, or makeup on face with makeup remover. Clean face with cleanser. Apply toner. Apply the cotton wet with blackhead removing liquid to the area where there are blackheads and whiteheads. Cover eye area and apply hot steam 10 minutes. The hot steam works to expand pores so as to help clean skin and promote skin's absorption of nutrients. Hydrofacial, clean pores and skin. Set parameters, time, 5 to 8 minutes is recommended. Bottle A, Bottle B, and Bottle C. Choose one of the 3 bottles and then pour prepared liquid nutrient into it. Bottle D, pour pure water into this bottle. Use Bottle D in this treatment. Suction. Turning the knob clockwise is to increase suction, and turning it anti-clockwise is to decrease suction, adjusted based on individual endurance. The amount of water, 50% of the maximum amount is recommended. Treatment should not be performed on U-zone on face or sensitive skin. Hydrofacial can suction blackheads and whiteheads and relieve acne to leave skin smooth and clean. Move the handpiece in spiral curve on 3 spots and then in a 9 to connect them. Repeat the technique on the whole face and then cleanse nose. Turn off the hot steam. Clean face. Oxygenation sprayer, contract pores, and hydrate deep layer of skin. Set parameters, time, 5 to 8 minutes. The amount of spray, control it by using the lever on the sprayer according to individual situation. Cover eyes and nose during treatment. Direct the sprayer at face from a distance of 10 to 15 centimeters. The sprayer can inject atomized oxygen into basal layer of skin, providing the moisture and nutrients the skin needs. Scrubber, clean pores again. Set parameters, 37 NS level, 5 minutes working time and constant working mode are recommended respectively. Do not wipe face dry after using the sprayer. Move the scrubber on jaw, cheek, and forehead. High-frequency vibration is used to reduce blackheads, whiteheads, and acne into small particles, and then remove them. Clean face. Cold hammer, contract pores, soothe and repair skin. Set parameters, 37 NS level, 5 to 8 minutes of working time and cold mode are recommended respectively. Apply gel to face and then move the handpiece on jaw, cheek and forehead. Based on the dermal expansion and contraction, it can contract pores, soothe and repair skin, and smooth out wrinkles. Ultrasound, stimulate cell regrowth and help with nutrient introduction. Set parameters, 37 NS level, 10 to 15 minutes of working time and constant working mode are recommended respectively. Apply essence to face and then move the handpiece from jaw towards cheek. Move the handpiece from jaw to cheek and finally to forehead in circular motion. Use one hand and the handpiece to lift from jaw towards cheek. Firm and tighten skin and promote cellular permeability and metabolism. Set parameters 3 to 7 energy level, 10 to 15 minutes of working time, and mode 1 are recommended respectively. Apply gel to face and then move the handpiece from jaw towards cheek. Move the handpiece on jaw, cheek, and forehead in circular motion. Clean face. Apply face mask. Wait for 15 minutes. Remove face mask. Clean face. Apply toner, essence, lotion, face cream, and sun cream. Take out the machine and its accessories. There are 2 spare fuses which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with a spare one. Install Photon. There are 4 small rubber rings and 2 large rubber rings on the Photon, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the Photon correctly. If it is not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. There are A, B, and C bottles at the front of the machine. Pour some liquid nutrient or cleansing liquid into the bottles, such as AHA solution. There's bottle D and a liquid waste bottle at the back of the machine. Pour pure water into the bottle D. When liquid waste bottle is full, you need to empty the liquid waste out of the bottle before use. Fit the holders to the machine. the spray handpiece to the machine. Connect the hydro handpiece to the machine. Connect the bio handpiece to the machine.
Mark.
Connect the ultrasound handpiece to the machine. Connect the hot and cold handpiece to the machine.
Mark.
Connect the scrubber to the machine. Put all accessories into corresponding holders. Connect the power cord to the socket of the machine. Press power switch to start the machine, and then function selection interface will appear. Choose proper function based on your needs. Choose ultrasound function. Set parameters. Time range 0 to 60 minutes. To 15 minutes is recommended. Energy range is 0 to 10. Thread 7 is recommended. Constant working mode is recommended. Mode selection. Constant working mode. There is constant energy output after stop button is pressed. Discontinuous working mode. There is discontinuous energy output after stop button is pressed. Apply dedicated gel or face essence evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose the scrubber function. Set parameters. 5 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 energy level is recommended. Constant vibration mode is recommended. Mode selection. Constant vibration. Suitable for those with large pores, rough skin, and blocked pores. Discontinuous vibration. Suitable for those who have rough skin and want to exfoliate the skin. Press button to begin the treatment. Perform the treatment and wipe the area with wet cotton pad at the same time. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose bio function. Set parameters. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 energy level is recommended. Mode 1 is recommended. Mode selection. Mode 1. Constant working mode. Suitable for dry, rough, and dark-toned skin. Mode 2. Discontinuous working mode. Suitable for first-time users. Apply dedicated gel or face essence evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose the spray function. Set parameters. 5 minutes is recommended. Pour liquids into the bottle, which can be clear water, toner, normal saline, liquid essence, and so on. Choose proper liquid based on skin saturation. Press button to begin the treatment. Press the button on the sprayer to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose hydro function. Set parameters. 5 minutes is recommended. Choose one from the A, B, C, D bottles to pour in the liquid you need. Adjust the suction and the amount of water based on customer's endurance. Turning the knob on the machine clockwise is to increase suction, and turning it anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. Turning the tail part of the handpiece to adjust the amount of water. There are several hydro working tips. Choose proper one according to the target area. Press button to begin the treatment. Please note, pay attention to the amount of water coming out from the working tip. Try to keep skin moistened during the treatment, otherwise there will be discomfort. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose hot and cold function. Set parameters. 5 minutes is recommended.
Mark.
37 Anis level is recommended, and cold mode is recommended. Mode selection. Cold mode. It can soothe and repair skin, relieve acne, and contract pores. Hot mode. It can expand pore size and help with nutrient introduction. Apply dedicated gel or face essence evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize the handpieces for the next time use.